Okay, so today we'll be looking at cleft sentences at IELTS level. Really, let's have a look at these first two examples. We've got one here that says, what's happening now, however, is that the creativity displayed by an artist, or more often a musician, is turned into a brand. And the second is, it's a reflection of our times rather than as musicians that hearsay have their greatest significance. Okay, so here we've got two different examples of what is a cleft sentence, and the cleft sentence is what's underlined. Okay, as you can see, both these examples, you wouldn't see them in spoken English. They're more common in written English, and it's a way of how we can emphasize using written language. So let's have a look at the first example. For example, what you need is a book about advertising. Okay, it's a very simple example that tells us it's emphasizing that you need a book about advertising. All right, so the way that we form it is using the question word what, the verb to be, okay, and the noun in this case because a book is a noun. Whereas in the second example, we've got what Pears did was create the first brand of soap. So here we've got what, the verb to be, okay, and create. You can include was to create the first brand or just create the first brand of soap. In the other example we've got is it's a reflection of our times rather than as musicians that hearsay have their greatest significance. This is a way of using it for emphasizing, okay? So we have it, the verb to be, and the main idea, okay? So these expressions are used to emphasize written language. It's very formal expressions. It's very good for your essays, especially opinion essays where you have to give facts and you have to support your main idea. And these are ways that you can use language to emphasize those ideas. Try not to overuse them. Remember that there are also other techniques, but this is some of the techniques that are most common. So get going with some of the exercises, and we'll see you next time.